Number 12 is another word problem. Jamie buys a bag of sugar cookies. Each cookie weighs 3 1/5 ounces. And the bag has 8 cookies. How many ounces of cookies are in the bag? So I've got a bag and I've got cookies in it here. So I've got some cookies in here. And each one of the cookies weighs 3 1/2 ounces. 3 1/5 ounces. And I have 8 cookies. So if I have 8 of the cookies in here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, I'm going to take each one of those 8 cookies and I'm going to multiply it by 3 1/5. So 8 times 3 1/5. Now that looks a little weird. I'm not used to multiplying numbers like that. So I'm going to convert this to a fraction, 8 over 1, because I know how to multiply fractions if they're in fraction form. 5 times 3 is 15, so I'll convert this to an improper fraction. 5 times 3 is 15, plus 1 is 16. Put that over 5. And this looks a little bit better. This looked a little strange. I didn't know how to multiply that. But now that I've got them as regular fraction format, I think I can do this. So, multiply m fractions, it's no problem. Top times the top, and bottom times the bottom. So we're just going to multiply those two. And so 16 times 8, I'll just do this over here. 16 times 8 is 24. So I'll carry my 2. 8 times 1 is 8, plus 2 is 10. So that's 104. 104 on the top, top times the top, and bottom times the bottom. So now I have an improper fraction. To simplify it, I just need to divide. 5 goes into 104 how many times? Pretty easy. 5 doesn't go into 1, but 5 does go into 2. 5 goes in, into 10. 5 goes into 10 2 times. So 2 times 5 is 10. I subtract those and I get 0. I bring down my 4. Now, 5 goes into 4 how many times? 0 times. Ignore that bell. Some of you guys are getting ready to come into my class. 5 goes into 4 0 times, so we put 0 up here. 5 times 0 is 0. Subtract those and we get 4. So my answer is 5 goes into 104 20 whole times with 4 left over, and we put that on top of 5. So 20 and 4 4/5. 20 and 4/5.